This video is for operation theater students, surgical trainees, surgical students, technicians, technologists, and also for surgical nurse. In this video, we will discuss surgical instrument, anatomy, covering instrument body, names, features, uses, and how to hold them. Before today's video, I uploaded many lectures on surgical instruments, including laminectomy instrument, general surgery instrument, laparotomy instruments, and neurosurgery instrument. If you haven't watched them, you can watch them from the given link in the description. Alright, let's start with the video. This is a needle holder. Look, also called a needle driver. Let's discuss its anatomy. This part is the ring handle, right? We place our fingers in it to hold the instrument, right? Now this part is the ratchet or locking mechanism. Look, with this feature you can hold and lock anything with the instrument. This is a shunt part. Watch. This is a joint part. And this pin is known as box pin. Look. And the last one is fingertip, also known as jaws. Alright, up to this point the anatomy of this instrument is complete. Now we will discuss how to hold a needle holder. Place your ring finger and thumb, this ring finger and thumb in this ring. Now place the middle finger on above the ring handle, look, and the index finger on shunt for stability. Alright, that's all for today's lecture on instrument anatomy and how to hold a surgical instrument. If you have any query, you can ask by dropping the comment or by sending direct message through my social media account. I hope you learned something new. We will meet soon in our next lecture. Stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.